Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to answer one of your questions. So, this question is coming from Jude Bear. I love Konstantinos Vouligiridis videos and I'm just starting out experimenting using Facebook ads for my company. Aww. I'm running a CBO campaign with Dynamic Creatives right now that's doing pretty well. It has 10 ad sets. If I want to try adding new ad sets or new creative, can I just add it to the existing campaign? Or should I make a duplicate campaign that includes the new ad sets and creative? Okay, let's answer that. So, first of all, in this channel, we are against of touching things that are working. If it's working, you leave it right there, you do another campaign, and you are doing whatever you want to test as a new thing over there. So, if something is working, we don't touch it. Another thing, if you touch one of your ad sets, they're going to reset. Even if you change a comma, even if you change a spelling mistake or something, they're going to reset. And you will have to start the optimization all over again. So don't do anything in terms of the ad level for the creative and stuff because you are resetting your ads. Third thing actually, that I want to mention is this. When you're having a CBO campaign, which is optimizing and it's spending specific budget across specific ad sets, if you go and you add more, there are two things that might happen. First of all, you might disturb the balance that you have. If you have seen the videos about optimization and how we optimize the ad sets, you know that we care about the balance that we have within our CBO campaigns and the spend among the ad sets. This is why we also lower our budget so that we are not going to disturb it when we are closing ad sets. The second thing that might happen is that your CBO campaign might be so well optimized that it's not going to start spending on the new ones, on the new ad sets that you are actually adding, which means that you are giving less chances to those. If you want to test something efficiently, I would suggest you to do what you said at the end of your sentence, to start with a new campaign, duplicating, putting your new ideas about creatives, your new ideas about copies, and the new ad sets that are going to start competing with each other, but with the same terms, okay? It's going to be fair. And it's not going to be some ad sets that already have some data and you're just introducing some new ones that are not going to have any chance competing with them. Keep watching. Thank you for your positive comments. If you have any questions, guys, put it in the comments. You might be featured in a future video. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, read my book or check my courses. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.